What them say about Shano? Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Life Abroad TV, big up on the damn self. I saw our boss and I dub studio. See new Shano, yeah?
Yeah.
Say Life Abroad TV, see him there? Yeah, new Shano, look out for him. Egna, big up yourself. Big singer. Bad singer, yeah. Mad.
Yes, we're there with the one day boss. Biggest Rasta actor in Birmingham. Them fi know from Birmingham to Jamaica. And we soon reach England, Africa. Alright, you know, America, Africa, wait for him, boss. Give me the talk.
Big up Jamaica Life TV.
Jamaica Life Abroad TV.
Life Abroad TV.
How you mean?
Standing with Dead Day in another place. Channel 7, this is my place. If you're ever in Birmingham, come and have a drink with man.
I mean,
If you drink vodka, make sure you tap into my vodka business. Camo vodka, you know what I'm saying? And look and check out the new movie on Amazon Prime. Tracking the movie. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I read them most Wednesday night.
Come on, man.
Channel 7.
Channel 7.
You know what I mean? Yes, $1 Tuesday.
Right next to
most, you know what I mean? You know see it already. I'm showing us our Channel 7 already. Most Tuesday night. So on the forward down. Anywhere you come from in Birmingham, on a Tuesday night, Channel 7. Shown in. You know what I mean? Place looking nice. Don't have thing. We there, Channel 7, every Tuesday night. Dollars round robin. Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside. And we are doing it. Go so. Eh? Outside, summertime. A junk could have them there? Or a taxi?
Yeah, taxi. You want to put anything on the car, you know?
Yeah, I mean, on that yo. Coming at the party outside. Party outside. Party mad. Summertime. Summertime. Birthday girl, you want to say something to the camera? Okay, that's fine. I feel her round robin and I feel her birthday. So big up herself. She's shy, she don't want to talk on the camera. So that's alright. Alright, Clary? Yeah man, bless. Outside.
Beg you don't get married.
You get what?
No, Rich.
Let me can't see that for us.
You can't come out. That's how we do the video.
tonight. Warm outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Another Tuesday night. Dallas round robin.
I'm just for you to talk to female fucked up people. And I'm just for you to what has been doing.
What is it on there now?
I'm just for you to talk to female.
Let us sing about me in here. No, we're not a shuffle out here, you man. Warriors, you see that song here?
When I come from my certain place,
Yes, sure, yeah.
come from my certain place.
So what you doing later?
When you fall by the face, and so long, we used to travel with faith and all that.
What did I say? I'm so my body tell me, and my body tell me. What was this in 2025? We got through some things here, like we still like we not give up. What one? Baby, son. I told Jamila Marcus before. So you see me one night, you have to watch you every day. You have to watch you every day. Watch you every day.
Alright.
Are you tired of? You have to watch you every day. All who know the new friends.
Channel 7. Dallas Ronald.
Hold the spot to me.
All who know the real friend, the true friend, you never sell out your friend yet. No time. Anybody know? Right now we have to get to research. The friends say me Talika, you name with your true friend there. Represent. What do you mean? We have to get to this end because it's so much. We have to get to this end. We have to get to this end because it's. What do you know? Fully loaded. It's a fight. We say the good episode of anybody I know. All of it. Some of them look at nothing drunk there. Why should I look like? So we don't just say I'm like that. Talika, think of yourself for your birthday. So we are represent.
Jamaica.
Oh, what a fight. Birthday. Celebrate 16 more. Say this, celebrate life, celebrate life. Talika, happy birthday, happy Next year we doing it again, alright?
Hey, outside.
So we say celebrate life, celebrate. What Talika real friend up there? Party with the birthday girl and the big girl. Come on, everybody, let's go! Happy birthday, happy friend! Oh, you mean Talika?
Next year we're doing it again.
Tell. Give me a birthday wine now. When the people that were real Janika, they took out the phone them and party. 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 Party again.
Give up our subscriber. Hey, love you.
What the people ever know say you're liar, you shouldn't live a poor fire, go down in the ear. All real lionists. Ready.
Love without no pain, I'm gonna feel this on the run track. They got on the top of me, can see more than one. Come together, help them so free.
Some of them are liars, them still not poor fire.
Let your breath come out. Leave us to the left.
Some of them still not poor fire. Tell them a liar.
Love without no pain, I'm gonna feel this on the run track. They got on the top of me, can see more than one. Come together, help them so free.
I do not say no different. Go down in the rat in here.
Let your breath come out. Leave us to the left. Without the pussy, them some of the bitches that we real life. But I know you want. Champagne, I went to that. Everything we do for mama.
Some of them are liars.
Rise against the thing, I'll go get fling out there, there, forget the time. Keep the love of me, love my brother, them to the time, them get hand them in there. But one thing, we'll not forget the ones that gonna lie. Family, love,
Priscilla don't die this Sunday, I found nothing, you know. Soul train.
love without no real, I'm gonna feel this on a run shot. They got on the block, and we can zoom out at the one man. Couple
Turkey jam this Sunday, I hear barbecue too. Mad signal.
rock at your breath, and some leave us some life. But after pussy, them some of the
Round up inside
but I
too.
know for the world. Champagne, I went to that. Everything we do for mama, we love is about to get. I know for rise against the thing, I'll go get fling out there, there, forget the time, them to be king.
Them have some people when them get over marriage and them give thanks to them car.
But one thing, we'll not forget.
Some give thanks to woman. Some give thanks to house. You know when they give thanks for life, health and strength, and who agree with God in the ear.
One bag of champagne.
I got those people put them in. When the people never know say Father God, you are fighting the battle when you enter your car. I got those people put them in and they keep fucking them see. Tell them. Don't you worry about it. Hypocrite, give me shot your mouth. Fuck back. Guess who is back?
Keep up our subscribers. Again and again.
Guess who is
Thanks for the
back?
support.
Pull up back.
Real, outside. None of them
Listen.
are chosen.
Every godless people were in here when they say God love you and you love Father God, put the godless on them and wave them and we sing. And then we will now wave them for Father God. Come on. Don't forget every Saturday, shake it to the max. Room 112. Well, so make sure we're so this Saturday has Brenda turn. Brenda turn this Saturday. Anything we can worry.
I will respond to them. Yeah.
When the people that are in here tonight will know say Father God never feel the yet. God not in the ear. Father God never feel the ear. When friend feel you, family feel you, woman feel you, man feel you, God alone feel you. Big up to the real
I put the tip where she
I want you to switch it.
Tell her wine for the tip of the cocky and some shit. Tell her wine for the tip of the cocky and some shit. Tell her wine for the tip of the cocky and some shit. Tell her wine for the tip of my body, she have it. Tell her wine for the tip of my body, she have it. Tell her wine for the tip of my body, she have it.
No, Susan, bad girl.
She kiss your body, lick your body like a nut, your body pussy fluffy something.
Right, girl, look at your friend. Look at your buckland friend. You don't know what you're Watch up. Santana Christmas and we are long. Hey, girl. Ready? Make a girl with a good titty and a good picture. In the front of pies and I'm going to be able to eat. Let the girl know. Give me a preview. Give me a preview. Come on, Susan. And the girl, take your time. Take your time, girl. Take your time. Yes, but what's your baby going to do what's it up? And then time we go forward. If the girl doesn't start make a wine. Start make a wine. Look at sit up on it. I got we don't know my girl. Please stand right back when you're walking. The girl never want no tongue. She don't want no near mouth. She won't. Yes, she was singing out for media. She can't fight for my girl. Suck your mother. She won't. So she not going to fuck over the cadet. You know the madness here. You want to big up before we move again? Alright then, Mr. C.
People, don't forget this Saturday. CJ Get Up Kitchen Barbecue, Sorrow Road here. So make sure the roll out early, guys, finish early. Alright? And after we left from this, we kind of finish early, we got a room 112. Shake it to the max. Walls side of town. Alright, in the Saturday night. Alright? And you know, say free before late. So we'll make sure we reach out early. Also this Sunday, Priscilla Dundee, a full turn. Soul Chain Road Robin over West Brom, Roger Place. Alright? Church John! This Sunday a year turn to Celebrity Road Robin, life-changing event. DJ Blocks, 29th of August, pool party. Look out for that one there. People that don't smoke in the building here. Alright, smoking. Take it away.
You know what, next week, last week the woman's here. You know, Anna, Jessica turn.
Put me in the bus.
Alright? Listen. Listen. You need to just speak to Anna and Jessica.
What's the channel called? Jamaican Live what? Alright, I'll subscribe.
Jamaican
You know, the St. Thomas ladies, them can hold them come closer.
Nice ladies, them out.
I remember we said
Jamaican Live abroad.
all over.
Yeah.
Look out, Phil.
And
Nice
I remember all the national hero them go and set them
outside.
aside. That's how we alone have to hold him back here and all these things in.
You know me now.
So, you know me not tell no lie. That's why me love me for country place. All the way of worship, vanity and all these things is, that's not what me do a country. One shows me I come from a one price. So we don't never come a find hype. Alright? So any boy and girl who wants to smoking hype, it never happen. Hype your blood class self, because I'm going to stink like rubbish pan. Or not talk about hype. Pussy, we want to make sure that you maintain hype here. Ship in the boss. This Friday, Shane come to Rascal Town. Make sure you get your ticket. It's like a joke party. You alright? I want you to get your ticket. It's an A&G promotion. You know the partnership in there. So you have to endorse it the fullest. The book feeds so general they have to make it most of you. They are fee 150%. Right, that's when they ship it. This Friday the whole
Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside in a full effect.
Get it. Alright?
Yeah.
Get it.
Sikinia. More progressive soul in the Birmingham. Kill. I watch nothing. And I watch no fear. I watch Jackie. I wish a whisper. Think the cigarette. Think everything there. Stand up. Everything there. Everything there. I keep the opening. And I keep the outside. And I keep the party. And I keep the king of the one. King the cigarette. King the whisper. Back a cigarette. Back a whisper. Back a whisper. Back a bubble gum. Everything came out. Outside. Let's up and drink film. Yeah. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad. Big up all subscribers. All subscribers. Big up. Thanks and loving. Who are part of this channel. Yes. Up. I really good. Outside. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Marcy. And this Sunday, you know Soul Chain, you know Priscilla don't die. You know when a bantam, nothing. You know Mr. Boy they move from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Music!
Kingston, speed down, go on.
Hello, we have 15 minutes now. We check my friend up there. And I'm going to speak to
The party too.
Outside, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside. Sober. Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside. Dallas Tuesday.
Black man diamond.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside Diamond. One of the finest. Syria. Them we know. A she named Diamond.
Miss British.
Otherwise known as Miss British. Outside. Uncle now. Why don't say uncle and say a she now? Outside. You know what I mean? I will tell you, yeah. Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside. And the ladies them look good. Yeah, Diamond and our friend them, outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Dallas Tuesday, another night, outside. Dallas Tuesday, Channel 7, outside another night. Look on the roadblock. Traffic block up from one end to the other. Outside. Summertime, everybody out. And me out too. Them for know.
You know, we don't want to talk what you we talk what is relevant. Big up to the man who was saying it's not just round the town, Gallus. Alright? Some boy here about that Gallus, somebody from radio. When I talk about New York, Gallus. Pussy one never go to New York. I've never been to New York. So guess what? Me from girl from New York, pussy one, yes.
Can't stop salad, try rocky vibe.
Richie, barbecue!
Right to the fire,
remember the look feet here.
built-in black.
Keep everything around. Jungle is what I'm
But them
saying.
police when a box from shop. Rock back up, shoes up it up.
Every weekend.
Booze pussy car.
Every weekend.
Shoes pussy car.
Every weekend.
Star. Up the shop. You say you fuck up on the down. You don't need that. Police front of the shop. The shop bring money for this money.
Every weekend, Jungle.
As the building we bought from street websters. And the girl that gets such a feel with that she no mermaid. New blood come with it and on a first year.
We have our
Well, you're a dirty shirt. I don't know phone, but call your girlfriend. And the jeans would chop up the hotel. 817. Copy vehicle. $1 million and up with cheese.
look out for the work for money every Monday, eh? You know what Nicky said in that, eh? I have to defend Michael. Blood clot Chris Brown, what we reach?
The party get drastic, get some street vibes. Run from that quick, get some sanity. We up in the plastic.
Anybody see Young Bro TV?
Get ice, not nice.
Anybody see Jungle?
Get the white, get the over, the tonic wine. Everywhere we party, everywhere we party. People want to make me happy.
Better what we are doing?
Street vibes, we make up in a cup. Not be the man, not
It's time for upgrade. It's time for upgrade for John.
It's around and I'm boring. It make up me a look like me darling. Same vibes till I'm on it. So much shit I'm on.
What you say?
You want to feel real.
a bit. Remember, we say old school and flick it up.
When the thing come, give me mad. Send up the thing, give me mad. Couldn't stop me with the thing, yeah. Lock down the place in a Jamaica. Why not lock it in a
Remember, Trinika's an old school raver, you know. We have long road here. Let's hear America, happy birthday, bend over again. You don't know if you want to go on? It's the money right for Delika.
Everybody got them see me them one body. I can't wait till them one body. Yeah, why now we can't do one body? Everybody got them back to them one hook. So that they can be so dark. Yeah, I'm moving like I'm getting from me.
How much you want it?
Open your belly,
You shine away.
open your belly, 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 belly.
You shine away. I can't bring it up. Take a time. Take a time. Hit them. Hit them. Hit them. Hit them. Hit them. Look at the girl there.
Ninja body and a body dog. Ninja body and a body dog. Deep body and a middle and a body.
Take a time, Simon.
Sit down, sit down. She said, one ninja body and a body dog.
Go ahead and show me the picture. We're not going back.
Deep body and a middle and a body dog. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Come on in. Miss Presta. Let me check the board. Go on, talk, she said.
Morning, sir, tell her She said. Morning, sir, tell her She said. Morning, sir, tell her She said. Morning, sir, tell her
I be a man back, come on down. Chance come drink water. Anybody want this?
That side. That side. Them can be so behind
That last Tuesday. Outside, the girl are going mad. Outside. Summertime. Leave them outside after 3 in the morning. People don't want to go home. Channel 7, that last Tuesday, every Tuesday night. Every Tuesday night, outside. Yeah, me know. Yeah, me know.
The music can still play. You can't find it.
Yeah, big man Cyrus, you know, outside. Channel 7 boss. I him say Channel 7. And nobody else. Every Tuesday night. Channel 7. You know what I mean? Alright, tell them boss. Tell them when.
Come down, Channel 7.
Tell them, yeah. Anytime you come in around start Birmingham, Channel 7 is the place.
Yeah.
We represent the Channel 7,
from Canada,
Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside. I represent for the boss, Channel 7. Anywhere you come from, on top of Birmingham, Channel 7 is the place.
Respect with you.
Channel 7 is the place. Anywhere you're from, in the UK, on top of Birmingham, find Channel 7.
Burkina Faso, I come down here.
Yeah, find Channel 7. Every Tuesday night, yeah. All about Channel 7. Every Tuesday night. Dallas Tuesday. Dallas Tuesday. Every Tuesday night. Yeah, it might slip a 1 Tuesday or a 2 Tuesday, but a yasso at the base. The Channel 7. One Ras. One Ras, what you have to say? Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Life Abroad TV, yeah. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Yeah, them to know.
And this is
Angela, I'm Althea best friend from about 50 years ago, 40 years ago. Big up herself. 2 of them together. Yeah, friendship. And that's how it calls. Friendship can't end. It's all about friendship. Yeah, the last Tuesday, mash up. Outside with them. They not done. Yeah. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Dallas Tuesday tonight. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside.
Yeah, man, a good night. End up good still.
Yeah, me tell you what I know. Yeah, Tilika night outside, and we outside with the CEO, Althea. We represent over 15 years now. Dallas Tuesday, going strong every week. Yeah, over 15 years now. First round robin in Birmingham. Then to know that everything come after we. And we say, Dallas Tuesday, outside. Yeah. Every Tuesday, Dallas Tuesday. And we outside. Mad sick head no good. Outside every Tuesday night. Remind me, yes, 1 Tuesday or 2 Tuesday, but yeah. Channel 7 at the base Dallas Tuesday. And we out every night. And it's a match up you know. So after 3, so you know what time it is.
Tell them say, I'll Bridget there.
Yeah, everybody
I'll
there.
Bridget there. I'll Bridget there.
Everybody
I'll
there.
Bridget there.
Yo, see the boss tell us Tuesday. 15 years I'm going strong. Nothing wrong with it.
In a conceit, which one is it?
Jamaican life abroad.
Is it Jamaica or Jamaican?
Jamaican.
Look, I put it there, Jamaican live abroad in it.
LIFE. Yeah. And then I no food out there. And then say food left and base.
Normally food pan base.
There's the food. There's the food there, isn't it? Shanika night, you know. Shanika, she name? Tinika night. Outside, Tinika night. Tinika night, you know. Yeah, ladies, them come out here. Dallas shoes, another night for them. Big up Tanisha. Nothing can pronounce the name good. But it's all about she tonight. Lady in the red, you know. Fair night. Birthday night as well. Happy.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.